Hey guys, this is Technology King bringing you another video. Today I will be talking about NordVPN, which is a virtual private network. That's what VPN stands for. A VPN allows you to protect yourself from hackers by allowing you to change your IP address so that your internet service provider will not be able to track exactly what you're doing, and hackers will not be able to track what you're doing as well. This allows you to change your IP address to multiple states and cities as long as your VPN service allows you to connect. You'll be fine. I believe it is a great tool. Some people say that you don't need a VPN if you live in the US. I say better safe than sorry. And a VPN also stops your ISP from throttling you. So your internet service provider cannot slow your speeds down if you're doing something that they don't approve of, because they can't track you unless they work very, very hard. But 9 times out of 10, it's not going to happen, and you're going to be safe and secure. So today I will also be demonstrating how to connect to a VPN server. So I'm going to go down here to United States, right click it. It's going to ask me to select my region. Going to select New York, and I want the fastest server for New York. It is connected. And I will be doing a test just to show you guys that it actually worked. This should be my new IP address right here. Okay, let's do the test. I'm gonna come over here. Let's see if it matches up. This is the IP address that the internet says I have right now. And this is the address that's my NordVPN says is assigned to me. So it did match up. So I'm fully protected to do whatever I like without having to worry about anybody spying on me or slowing my speeds down. Okay, I'm going to go back to my VPN because I want to show you a couple other settings. Okay, it saves your most used servers, so you can just hit one click instead of going down to the actual state and have to select it manually. It has it here up top. It has a few specialty servers. So the double VPN is basically your IP address goes through 2 VPNs instead of one using technology. Instead of it being encrypted in one tunnel, it'll be encrypted in two. So that's just a little more security if you're doing something that you absolutely don't want anyone to be able to trace. Of course, this is for educational purposes. This one here is a dedicated IP. This IP is dedicated, so it'll be the same one every time. You can purchase dedicated IPs. But I'd rather just use the free ones. Dedicated is usually an IP that stays the same, doesn't change, similar to a static IP. And with a VPN, if you're the type of person that uses a VPN every time you connect to the internet, this might be ideal because you can use the same IP, so you don't have to worry about when you go to certain websites it not recognizing who you are. Because I found if you switch back and forth from a different VPN, not a different VPN, a different server constantly, certain websites like Amazon will not recognize you when you sign in, things to that nature. You have to identify yourself by typically putting in a code that they send to your email so they can make sure who you say you are. This just cuts down the headache a little bit. This is a peer-to-peer network, so this is safe for people that use peer-to-peer services. That means services that not only allow you to download content or files, it also allows other people across the world to download from your system. This will help you be more secure with that. If you're into that, I would use one of these. You don't have to. You can actually just use any server you want and you will be safe. I've been using this for about 2.5 years and I haven't had an issue at all. Okay, I will be showing you some other settings. Okay, we're here in settings. Okay, this one, auto connect, allows you to pick the server you always want to connect to when your computer starts up. If you allow NordVPN to start when your computer starts up, whatever server you select in this box here, it will connect to that every time. The kill switch. Kill switch is basically a switch that pulls the plug on your internet connection if you disconnect from the VPN, so you'll be 100% safe. So it's up to you. That's another option you have there. Thank you guys. This is Technology King signing out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment box and let me know what you guys think. If you guys want me to do a certain video, I will try my best. Or, if you just want to show me some love and tell me that you thought my video was good or bad, I welcome all comments. Again, thank you for viewing. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a great rest of the day.